guys, we're out here early in the morning in the field, and I have the 110 Goblin, guys. I'm gonna try this out. Hopefully it works. So the wind is coming from that way, so we're gonna want to go that way. She's actually perfect, guys. Let's trim her out to the right a little bit. She's not fast, exactly how I wanted to make her. She's nice and smooth and docile. She'll go up if she needs to. It's a little windy up there, guys. It's kind of hard for me right now, guys, because I have a hat on. But she's actually very perfect. I can add a little bit more nose weight. So that means I should bring my CG down a little bit, back a little bit more. But she's actually very good. Very stable. And like I said, it's windy right now. Giving her some up trim, guys. Sorry that I'm not getting any close passes, guys. I'm kind of orientated in an awkward position today. Just because the sun is out, I don't have my glasses. The wind is coming in an awkward precision today. She looks very nice in the sky, guys. Right now, I'm on low rates, 50% with 30% expo. She flies so smooth. Oh, that bird almost hit me, guys. What in the world? That's not nice. 50%. I have yet to go on high rates, guys, because it's like a little windy up there. But she flies very smooth, guys. Exactly what I wanted her to do. I didn't want it to be too fast. So now I can actually put my FPV gear setup on this and go for a nice long, not too long because I can't go too far with my goggles. But a decent amount of following some lakes and stuff, guys. I like how that blue reflects in the sun, guys. Wow, guys. She's so smooth, guys. Now, I am running a 1400 kV motor with a 745 prop, guys. I will not push 4S on this, guys. This motor can't even push 4S, guys. The ESC, yes, but not the motor, guys. But she's very smooth, guys. It's a little windy. You see, guys, it's shaking the plane. But it's all right. We're managing. So yeah, guys. There you go. Nice little slow roll. All right, guys, let's bring her in for landing. That was a nice little maiden, guys. The wind is coming from in front of us, so I'm gonna want to come from this way, but the sun is behind us, guys. There you go. Smooth landing, guys. Beautiful. That was nice. That was very nice, guys. Now, like I said before, I did not make her to fly fast, guys. You guys might say she's underpowered, why she looks like that. I did not make her to fly fast, guys, even though she obviously can pick up speed very easily, guys, but I did not make her for that. I made this for efficiency, guys, and literally to fly long, guys. This was the initial setup for this, guys. So it's a 1400 kV motor. It says A2212 10T 1400 kV motor, guys. And that's it, guys. My reflex is basically about the foam board thickness. Again, on this, I have more control on this one than the little one, because like I said before, the little one is actually kind of like friggity, guys. It flies on rails, but this one's actually very smooth, guys.